How to create a loading spinner. Click on New button at the bottom of Project Panel and select Color Matte. Set the properties and color and name and click OK. Now drag the color matte into Timeline to create a new sequence from it. Now hold down, click on the Rectangle tool and select Ellipse tool, and while holding down the Shift key, click and drag to create an ellipse. Now go to Captions and Graphics Workspace and click on these two buttons to center the ellipses. Then go back to Editing Workspace. Go to Effect Controls panel and expand the shape and uncheck the fill and check the stroke and increase the width of stroke and click on the color box. In the pop-up window, change solid to linear gradient, then click on the starting and ending colors and set them. And click OK. Now go to Effects panel and search for Clock Wipe. Drag and drop Clock Wipe effect at the start and the end of your circle and adjust the effect duration by double-clicking on it. Now change the length of your circle until the effect at the start and at the end touch each other. Now we have this spinner. Hold down the Alt key and drag it to the right to create some duplicate from it. Now select all of them and right-click on one of them and select Nest. Now double-click in the preview window and change its position if you want. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.